in West Kapras, his home ward, where he has been MCA for 10 years. This is important so that our supporters do not think that they are on their own individually. 70.9% of you are like-minded. You prefer to vote for Seth Panyako. I therefore want to use this opportunity to request you to remain steadfast and to make sure that you are at the polling station as we told you at 4 a.m. in the morning, so that there is no pushing. The moment they open at 6, you cast your vote. We want the one thing that we're looking for in this campaign to be actualized. And that one thing, my people, is that we are fighting for our dignity as a community. We are so underrated, good people, that in a region where from independence up to date, we have never asked for relief food because God has been kind to Luhya land. We always have 9 out of 12 months, we have rain. We can be poor in many things, yes we are. Even when we don't have money in our pockets, our women have food for their children. And that's why in the Luhya nation, there is no village where you find faces of desperate children who are hungry. It is only in the Luhya hospitals where you don't have a wing for children suffering from malnutrition, kwashiorkor, marasmus, and what have you. But in this election, they have brought us beans. We never asked for beans from the government. They have brought us rice. We never asked for rice from government. They have brought us things that we have not asked for. Thank you very much for bringing us blankets and bringing us mattresses. On that one you score. Our people can lack mattresses. They can lack blankets. But food, please spare us that shame. Let us reclaim our dignity. Having said that, I now want to conclude by the only little negative thing that is happening at this election. I want to ask the government to calm. Elections are always won and lost. There must be a winner and there will be a loser. So let's win gracefully. But when you lose government, don't resort to these desperate measures. Mr. President, are you aware that the security of George Natembeya has been withdrawn? Are you aware that the security of Dr. Boni KHALWALE has been withdrawn? Your police officers, you have given me 6 police officers as per my office. Where are they? What are you planning to do? Number 2, Your Excellency, you are our president. I ask you, are you aware that a former minister in this county of Kakamega, former minister, has been afforded youth from Nairobi? I do not know what they want to come and do in Kakamega. Mr. President, are you aware? Mr. President, as the custodian of the security of our community, tone down, ask your minister to be in charge to let the voting to go on freely. We are not violent people. Tomorrow, if there are any instances of violence, it will be because we are refusing to be intimidated. You cannot just come to our home, slap us all over the place, kick us in the ass,